Hi, today we're going to look at Stackend virtual pop-up shops and how you can enable and create a Shopify store and have it appear on other sites with full shopping functionality. For this example, I thought it would be cool to show you how to use it in an ad system, but it will work in articles or blogs or wherever. So I have set up, so I'm logged on into my Shopify environment. I have a blog over here that is just a regular WordPress blog as an example, and in that WordPress I have a plugin called Ad Inserter, which is a very basic ad system, but just to show you how it works. So start by going into Stackend by clicking go to Stackend.com. To make sure that this works, you need to click on the settings and you need to add the domain where you want this Stackend module to appear. So for me, it's shopping.xcop.de, which is this WordPress blog. For you, obviously, will be something else. There's any module will work like this, but today we're going to look at pages. So I created a simple page. And a page is like a container for modules, where I added a code bin with some basic CSS and a logo, etc. for this ad. And then I added a product listing. So product listings are the key element here. If you add content and then select shop. This, because you installed Stackend from Shopify, is connected to your Shopify store. So you can select if you want to have a product, if you want to have a product listing, or if you want to have a collection of products. So if I select product listing, for example, product type is whatever types you added to your products in Shopify. So for example, I listed all coolers as product type coolers. And then you can filter this by tags. So for example, if you have hard coolers and soft coolers, you could enter that tag over here and then it will be filtered on that. And then you can sort with best selling, price, name, relevance. You can select the number of products and you can also select the layout. So a list is your typical grid layout and a slideshow is the slide back and forward. I want to have a slideshow in this case. And then I just add this to page and it's added to the bottom of the page module. As you can see, I already added this. So if I click launch on this now, depending on if you have installed Stackend already or not, you need to copy the launch script. So in the ad inserter, I will add this launch script and I will go back and then I will also add the content that I want. Typically you only need to do this once into your head tag. You can also do it in many ways. You can do it via Google Tag Manager, or you can just inject it where you want it to appear together with the module code. So I'm going to use the module code now. Go back to add inserter, paste, and then save the settings. So if we look at this page now, there's nothing here, but if I save this, hopefully if we do some refreshing, etc. with WordPress, we will have an ad showing up. Yeah, so this is the ad now. So what you see behind the ad is the custom CSS that I added a background image. I also uploaded a logo and said that this is a shoppable ad. This is the actual slideshow that I customized a little bit to look the brand. And if I click on this, you can see that I can actually buy this directly in the page. And I can add it to cart. And if I add it to cart, it will be added. So I can check out. I can fill in my credential, what country, etc. And this goes directly now into your Shopify store. If I select shipping, it will select the shipping methods that you added to your Shopify store. And finally, the payment page will be your payment page. So You can also use this to include full products in your listings. So let's try that. Let's create a new page. This is just to remember what it's called. Go to pages, island article, full product, and add content, shop, and then I want to select the product, and I want to have the loadout tag. It's cool. So that one, and I want to have it full. Add to page. Click save. Take the product, the module script, copy. And then we go back to the article, and maybe it will look good somewhere here. So enter, add a block, custom HTML, paste it, update, and then we go back to the article and do refresh. Let's see what happened. There we have the ad, the image, and here is the full product listing that we have. So the user can directly in your articles look at the images. They obviously, if it's available, you can add it to cart. You will get this small module over here. Again, Stackend is trying to listen to whatever fonts, etc. Is on the page. You can of course override them like I did here with some simple CSS.